Sa music.
Alam mo na yun, ha?
So, first love mo talaga ang singing, James.
Ikaw,
Yes, that's my first
100 yung
love.
bibilin mo, ha?
Pareho kay ni Nadine. Di ba si Nadine din? First love niya singing din.
Bagay na bagay silang dalawa talaga, no?
Compatible sila.
Sobra.
Made to be.
At ito, very theoretical question.
Yes.
In how many years mo nakikita yung sarili mo na
With
luluhod?
Settling down.
Luluhod. You know,
Luluhod.
proposing. In how many years?
Bro,
In how many years lang? Kasi ako, siguro nasa 30, 31. Eh. May mga target dates tayo, diba? As guys. Ikaw?
me actually 30.
May 31?
May 30 na!
May
natin yung date.
30 years old.
30 years old.
30 years. You're 23.
23.
Nadine,
7
konting
years.
hintay na lang.
Malapit-lapit na din.
7 years.
Nadine.
7 years.
Malapit na.
Malapit na yun.
Wow.
May bala ka na ba?
Wala.
Ipon daw muna, ipon.
Hindi, mag-e-enjoy muna.
Hintay na lang.
Malapit-lapit na din.
7 years.
Nadine.
7 years.
Malapit na.
Malapit na yun.
Wow.
May bala ka na ba?
Wala.
Ipon daw muna, ipon.
Hindi, mag-e-enjoy muna sila. Huwag
Yeah.
natin silang i-rush. Wala natin silang bigyan ng pressure. Kasi pag
Don't rush
pine-pressure,
things.
doon para nagkakaroon ng problem eh.
Parang ano?
talaga,
spell
ano?
problem.
Problem eh. So,
Parang bitter
hayaan natin
experience.
silang magkain-laban muna talaga ng todo
Tsaka
at
yung
patatagin ng
friendship.
panahon. Yes.
Which happened naturally during the course of time, di ba? Kaya happy kami na kayong dalawa magkasama. You are an inspiration not just to, you know, people here, pero all over the world. Kaya masaya-masaya kami. Be happy
Thank you.
sa birthday mo. You wanna thank your sponsors once again?
Anyone or message?
J. Deans, of
fans.
course.
Family.
Of course, I want to thank all the sponsors. Thank you so much. It's been an amazing day.
Mga
Thank
cake
you, Boss
nila
Vic.
dito.
Hello, Dr. Vicky Bello. And thank you guys for being here. Thank you.
Then, invite mo sa movie mo, tapos small show
Small show after this.
This at 7 p.m. So, Fairview Terraces.
Tonight.
Yes, Fairview Terraces.
Yes.
Tonight, 7 p.m. So,
And guys, don't forget the hashtag later for the Twitter party of James Reid.
Hashtag Ask James.
Tuloy-tuloy na ang party kasama ang ating birthday boy. Happy birthday once again, brother.
Birthday, James.
And enjoy the rest
Happy birthday!
of the
Happy
week.
birthday, James!
Sa pagbabalik po namin, makakasama po natin ang isa sa mga guests natin.
Hulaan nyo na lamang
Depende
po.
pa. Depende pa kung sino pa
Depende
handa
kung
eh.
sino ang
Oo.
mahila.
Okay. After the birthday boy, more surprises coming up. Dito lang